Hello and welcome to Love Anything Art. I'll begin by rolling out 2 balls of black clay, one slightly smaller than the other. With the larger one, I'll just give it a nice gentle roll. And then begin kind of smoothing it out between my fingers. And I'll make one end slightly thinner than the other. Again, I'll just use my fingers to get all of those edges nice and smooth. And this will be the penguin body. Once I have that perfect, I'll move on to my next step. I've rolled out 2 balls of white clay. This first one will just roll into a little pill shape. And then begin flattening it between my fingers. I want it to be fairly thin. I'm going to put this on the penguin's body, there in the front for that little white patch. Don't want it to stand up too much or be raised off the black clay too much. So I'll just get it on there, situated how I want. And then I'll do the same with the other one. Then I'm just going to make a small little cut there at the top, just to separate it. I just want to welcome everybody and let you know that I am doing 25 videos for the month of December. So it goes from December 1st to December 25th. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you tomorrow too. And then I will just place that right there on the face. Once I have it situated how I want, just tap it gently into place. And I'll roll out 2 small balls of black clay and just pinch it between my fingers and make it into kind of a leaf shape. This will be the penguin's arms. And then I'm going to roll out 2 small balls of orange clay, and these are going to be his feet. Again, I'll make those into a teardrop shape. And this is some candy cane I've showed you in one of my previous holiday videos. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below. I've cut off 2 pieces of different lengths. This one I'm going to roll out until it's long and thin there. And then twist it up to give it that candy cane look. And just use my fingers to give it a nice gentle flattening. I'm going to make this into his scarf. And with the other piece of candy cane clay, I'll just give one end a nice gentle roll to make it come to a point. Then I'll just gently twist it to give it that candy cane look. And this will be the penguin's hat. And then I'm going to take this crochet hook and just make a little divot or dip into the bottom of the hat so that it sits on his little head. And these are all my pieces here, and just start assembling the little guy. First, I'll just attach the head to the body and give it a nice gentle push on there. And then I'll wrap around the scarf around the little penguin's neck. It always sounds so creepy when you say you're going to wrap it around his neck, but that's kind of where it goes. And then I'll put his feet on him, place his bottom of his body right on there, and just give it a nice gentle tapping. And it'll stick those little feet right to his body. And then I'll put on his little flipper arms. And then I've rolled out a tiny ball of red clay just for the little base of the hat, for the little ball on there. I've rolled up 2 tiny balls of black clay. And these will be his eyes. And then 1 ball of orange clay that I will very gently make into a leaf or teardrop shape. And this will be his nose or his little beak. Go ahead and pre-poke that eye hook hole and add in the eye hook. I've made a second one for a pair of earrings, and I will bake my pieces. And here they are, all decked out in a little candy cane attire. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will be posting videos all the way until December 25th. Every day is a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!